G'day and welcome to G&B Nomads. This week we're heading down to Wilson's Promontory. We're just heading through Currumbara now. We come down the prom every year about this time to meet up with some old friends. There's about 50, well, this week there's 14 of us, so it's a really good
16 of us.
16 of us, so look out. And we do a lot of walking and just have a few drinks of wine. It's fantastic. And the other big thing we're doing this time round is we're going to try out the Pentecote boat cruise that takes you over to Skull Rock and along the coastline of Wilson Promontory. So we're really looking forward to that. It should be a good weekend. 35 minutes to Wilson's, to the Tidal River campground. So this is the entrance here. Sometimes you have to stop here. But I think we might be able to drive through. Welcome to Wilson's Promontory. Tracks closed, Seals Cove, a little over on Bay. Nice view. Yeah, so that's the entrance to the park. It's one of Australia. I think it's one of Australia's best national parks. I guess I'm biased, but there's just so much to see and do around.
Wow. You always look forward to coming to this point, isn't it?
Yeah, it's great. We're at our Wilson's Promontory camping ground. Heaps of rosellas, beautiful little birdies. And here's our digs.
Oh, it's freezing!
There.
Yeah, I know, that's where we go.
What a good looking animal he is. Oh, yeah.
I know.
Looks healthy. And...
Thanks, Andrew.
Oh yeah. Oh, look at you.
Sorry. So just coming in, looking at Tidal River now. We'll get a better view when we get up a bit further though, but the river's full, I guess, because of the tide's in. Just checking yourself.
Oh, this is for the children.
Yeah.
Say hi.
Hey!
Yay!
Because I wanted you to see everything too.
Yeah.
Oh, I think that's great.
Oh, look at
There's a special trick that you do, which they talk about, which is the rotation of the hips. So instead of trying to come up like this, go with it. This is Squeaky Beach. Big, that's like 3 foot.
Yeah, I think that's a lovely coat to go to.
yeah.
And I've got to do something.
Yeah, it's like that.
Pick a leaf.
Ugh. Just returning from our walk over to Squeaky Beach, we walked out Pillar Point, as you would have seen the pictures. And well, first time in 44 years that I've had a surf, and then so now I'm going to just have a mess, see if I enjoy it. If I don't, well, I haven't wasted too much money. And if I do enjoy it, well, I might improve on what I've got. Norman Bay. Just a bit of a slow scan around. This morning we're off on our little boat cruise. We're going to go down and check out the boat, and then we'll go back and get... How was it out there? How was it surf today, Big Buster?
Wasn't that good actually?
It's a bit small.
A bit slow.
I know. Okay, so these are the boats we're going out on today. Still a pan. Okay, so this is Norman Bay.
Anything under 30? Yeah. Honestly, the conditions don't get much better than this. To be able to see that glassy look to the water, you can get calm conditions, but when you've got this mirror-like look to the water, the next best thing is we're going to start to see the land mirrored back onto the water. So, Little Oberon Bay, that's this little beach down here. Now, I'm assuming not many of you have seen
The sea eagle can see as far out.
Guys, feel free to stand up. Here we are at the southernmost point of mainland Australia, and that's this rocky point right here. So that is as far south on the mainland that you can get. Tassie mainland is only 200 kilometres away. And then down there at southeast point, we've got that view of Wilson's Promontory Lighthouse. That lighthouse is the southernmost lighthouse on the Australian mainland, located at southeast point. It's pretty rare to see one that size at this time of year, guys. As Camille was saying, the males don't really hang around outside of breeding season. He's a big one.
Where is he? There, it was there somewhere.
Well, that's as large as they get. They get up to 350 kilos, those big males. Oh, I see. Never seen one that close up there.
The way that the research is...
Give the birth from the previous season. This is my last fact before I just let you guys enjoy looking at them. So when they give birth, those females, within 10 days, we'll give them 2 weeks, they'll breed again with that male. Now that is for 20 years. So 9 months pregnant, birth, 9 months pregnant, birth. Straight. Are you enjoying that? Are these guys are trusting you as well? We've got some more seals.
Nice, close and personal with the cave. In fact, we'll go inside that bottom cave. The waves hitting
Leonie. Jan, Larry.
That's the Cape of Grand National Park in WA. It's all granite. And then Great Glenny Island. So this actually is outside of the Marine National Park. You can be fishing in here recreationally, commercially. I'm sure there's some sort of permit. This is still called a marine reserve. Up there on top of Citadel Island, the one sort of directly to our left-hand side now, is the Citadel Island Lighthouse. That's the oldest of its kind, fully automated.
That was the end of our Worcester's Promontory cruise. It went for 2.5 hours and cost $145. It was just fantastic, so if you get a chance, make sure you do it. That night we celebrated Bobby's birthday. The theme was 1960s movie stars, TV stars or rock stars.
Shimmy that thing, girl.
Tuesday, Wednesday, happy days. Thursday, Friday, happy days. Saturday,
What a day!
oh, all week with you.
Happy day!
Beautiful, why was she born at all? Because she had no say in it.
We had a ball that night and it was a fantastic weekend. So if you ever get a chance to go down to prom, make sure you get down there. It's Victoria's best kept secret, I believe. No, Well, that concludes this episode. In the next episode, we head down to 90 Mile Beach to a great free camping spot and also Lake's Entrance. But the highlight is seeing our dog Kira. This is the first time we've taken her on a camping trip and she loves it. Well, I hope you liked this episode. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. And until next time, cheers for now. Bye.